Cheverolet Equinox all-wheel drive. Nice, stylish, square design. Sitting on 17-inch rims. Pretty high up. Square front. Compact SUV. Decent amounts of trunk space. Rear passenger rear, pretty nice. Plenty of knee room, plenty of headroom space, pretty spacious interior in the back seat. Front cabin, pretty spacious up in the front as well. Push button start. All digital dash, 2 screens, 11-inch screen, 11-inch infotainment, dome lightings, air vents, hardware buttons for climate control, two USB A and C storage areas, mode select, off-road, normal, snow and ice for all-wheel drive, 2 cup holders, extra coin storage, deep center console, standard size glove compartments, pretty nice upholstery. These carbon fiber looking circular air vents on the side is a nice touch. Great steering wheel, fat, leather wrapped, real solid feel. Nice gear shifter here, leaves room for the center space. It's also an island design. You have storage down there. You have wiper controls on the left, paddle shifters, cruise control does have adaptive cruise control and lane departure assist. Phone and Bluetooth controls on the right steering. Like how they have a all-wheel drive button to switch from front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. Lighting controls, extra lighting controls is over on the infotainment as well. Your dedicated automatic start stop, power windows and lock controls. Very nice soft plastic cloth seats, very comfortable. Definitely like the headrest, makes a difference for long drives, the way it's positioned. It's nicely well appointed. Let's see how this one drives. This is definitely a cruiser, comfort cruiser. First, more than anything else. Very soft suspension, eats up all the road bumps without you feeling it. Engine is turbocharged 4-cylinder with only 170 horsepower, kind of light on there. Does struggle to accelerate on the road. Could be better if it had more power. Handling is below average, very floaty feeling with the handling as well. Braking is average. Mileage is poor, roughly 400 miles on a full tank. And roughly 27 miles to the gallon. Cabin noise is really loud. On the good side, definitely has a lot of technology and safety features as a standard. Adaptive cruise control makes a world of difference, and lane keep assist really helps as well. This is definitely a rental for driving long distances. Doesn't do too well in the city, but even then, the loud cabin noise, I would have to give this rental a B. There's a lot better options out there, but pretty surprised from previous years of the Equinox. This is definitely an upgrade. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This was shot in Metairie, Louisiana, New Orleans. Pretty nice little spot. Definitely summertime heat, pretty hot. But right by the lake, Lakeshore Drive.